Today I'm going to show you simple and crispy fried chicken legs with minimum ingredients, which is available in every home. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special crispy chicken legs. For this recipe I'm using 5 chicken leg pieces. Make deep gashes in the chicken leg pieces. Make sure that each chicken piece has minimum 3 gashes. After making gashes, add to the chicken 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. For ginger garlic paste recipe, check the link in description or in I button. Salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. You can adjust the red chilli powder as per your taste. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds powder. And now massage and spread all the spices to the chicken pieces. Make sure that you apply spices in gashes as well. After applying spices, add 150 grams of beaten curd and mix well. Curd is the best ingredient which will tenderize the chicken and add the extra taste. Now cover with stretch film and refrigerate for about 4 hours as minimum. After 4 hours, take out the chicken. In another bowl, take 200 grams of all-purpose flour. The salt in the chicken pieces is enough, so here I'm not adding any salt or spices in the flour. Now coat the chicken pieces with the flour and keep it aside. Now heat up the oil and fry the chicken pieces on a medium flame till the chicken pieces turn to golden brown color. That's it, crispy and tasty chicken legs are ready. Very simple, right? Enjoy hot chicken pieces with red chili sauce or ketchup. You can find tomato ketchup and mayonnaise recipe from the channel as well.